Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and have a good day. Today I am going to present an innovation entitled Electronic Pictorial Vocabulary Tool ePVT used for vocabulary learning. My name is Hanif from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris. This is the executive summary of my innovation. Moving on to the introduction, learning vocabulary is a component that only been indirectly integrated into the four core skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking that make up the standard-based English language curriculum SPELC. Therefore, students who has limited range of vocabulary knowledge will find it challenging to learn and utilize English regularly. Based on this problem and aim, we have identified a few issues where Malaysian students have yet to acquire the desired vocabulary size and master the English vocabulary as defined by the Malaysian Standard-Based English Language Curriculum. This is stated by Wang and Yamat 2019. Therefore, this innovation aims to resolve this issue by proposing an ePVT that aids students in their vocabulary learning remotely. Based on the problem and aim, these are the objectives for this innovation. The first objective is to develop an ePVT to be used by Malaysian lower secondary ESL students based on the word list provided in the SBELC for virtual learning. Secondly, to discuss the feedback of ePVT use among professional in application development and also highly experienced English language teachers. Based on relevant literature, as stated by Garcia and Weiss and Tahir et al., previous studies suggest that inclusion and integration of technology for vocabulary learning could bring much needed improvement to the learning process. It could infuse novelty, innovation, creativity, interest, and fun into vocabulary learning activities. Therefore, the ePVT is separated into four groups presented in one of these four modes. The first mode is text mode, second mode, text picture mode, third mode, text sound mode, and last but not least, the fourth mode, text picture and sound mode. Words from various parts of speech are included in each mode. This is the layout of ePVT, which consists of Module 1 until Module 4, as well as the question and also ranking chart. In terms of the novelty in inventiveness, ePVT is unique as the innovation delivers vocabulary knowledge through Android application which focuses on the Malaysian context, in which learning of vocabulary knowledge has become immersive and interactive. In terms of the usefulness and application, the ePVT will help to expand students' vocabulary knowledge and convince them English vocabulary learning can be fun and easy, and students will be helped to learn new or unfamiliar words with the right pronunciation. The ePVT promote quality education as stated in the SDG, where it will assist teachers and overcome their struggles in teaching vocabulary from various parts of speech by introducing well-planned and interactive ePVT application initiative into the classroom. Teacher can use ePVT for wider coverage or audience without costing a fortune. The status of innovation, this ePVT application has been presented in an international conference as well as this innovation competition, and it has also been awarded IP status by my IPO. And this application is also has been completed and viewed by public through Android application. The ePVT is believed to help not only the students but also teachers, as teachers can use the ePVT to ease their teaching process for better teaching of vocabulary. And this will eventually promote Android application in teaching and learning. As stated by the interviews conducted, The ePVT featured interesting text and graphics. However, the interviewee also mentioned that certain modules contain lengthy text, necessitating a good internet connection for access. In addition, all respondents unanimously expressed a preference for Module 4. Besides that, the majority of interviewees recommended incorporating additional pictures and videos on the ePVT. And last but not least, the respondents noted the absence of a practice section which prevented them from practicing before engaging in the real session. It can be deduced that the implementation of the electronic pictorial vocabulary tool facilitates the acquisition of target words among lower secondary ESL students. This ePVT also enhances students' vocabulary retention and benefits the students with limited language skills and ensuring the use of diverse learning strategies and instructional support tailored to the needs by curriculum designers and also English language teachers. This is the certificate provided by my IPO for the copyright. With that, I thank you.